Hello students, very good morning. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today for class 8 students, we are going to discuss assignment number 35 on number system. Now let us see the first question. Highest power of 3 which contains in 500 factorial is. In fact, highest power of any prime p in n factorial is given by n by p step of plus step of n by p square plus step of n by p cube plus 1. How long it continues? Till we get a proper fraction in step function. Whenever you got a proper fraction in step function, the result of that is 0. So there and then the process stops. Till that we have to write that. Okay. Now if you take 3, okay, highest power of 3 in 500 factorial is, what to write? 500 by 3, that is of course step of, plus 500 by 3 square, step of, 500 by 3 cube, plus step of 500 by 3 power 4, plus step of 500 by 3 power 5. Okay, so 3 power 5 is nothing but 243. Next value will be 500 by 3 power 6, that is 729. That is more than 500. So that is a proper fraction. We need not write that. So only up to this if you write, that is enough. Okay, that is equal to, what is 500 by 3 step of? We know that 3 and 500 let us divide. Okay, 3 ones are 3, that is 20. 3 6 are 18, again 20, 3 6 are 18, so remainder is 2, so you can leave it like that. So step of that is 166, because only integral part you have to take, 166. Next for this what to do? 166 you divide with 3 and then write integral part. 3 5s are 15, again 16, 3 5s are 15, that's enough. No need to do this calculation, simply you divide 166 by 3, write the integral part, that is enough. 55 again, 55 you divide with 3. 3 ones are 3, next here we have 25, 3 8s are 24, that's it. 18 means we have 3 6 are 18, 6 means 3 2s are. Okay, this number divided with 3, integral part to take. This number you divide with 3, integral part to take. This number you divide with 3, integral part to take. That's enough. No need to do this calculation. Even though you do that, you will get the same answer. Okay, now if you simplify this, what do you get? 2 plus 6 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 5, 21 plus 6 that is 27, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 6 14, 1, 1 plus 1 2, 247. So 247 is the highest power of 3 in 500 factorial. What is the meaning in it? If you start writing 500 factorial as 500 into 499 into 498 into so on, in that all possible 3's if you write, that is going to be 3 to the power of 247. You will get 247 3's will get in between 500 to 1. Okay. Now let us move to the next question. The number of zeros at the end of 2019 factorial. Whenever you are asked to find out number of zeros at the end of 2019 factorial, what exactly you have to find out? Highest power of 5. Highest power of 5 you have to find out in 2018 factorial. What is that? So, number of zeros at the end of 2019 factorial is given by step of 2019 by 5 plus step of 2019 by 5 square plus step of 2019 by 5 cube plus step of 2019 by 5 power 4, 5 power 4 is 625. Next will be 2019 by 5 power 5. 5 power 5 is 625 into 5. Okay, that is more than 2019. So there we are going to have a proper fraction. So that should not be considered. That need not be considered. Okay, rest of the values all become 0. So only this is enough. Now 2019 by 5. How many times you get? 4 5s are 20. Okay, then 0 times. 3 5s are 15, that's all, plus again 403 divided with 5, 8 5s are 40, so 80 times. Here 16 times, 16 times of 5 is 80, 16 divided with 5 you have 3, that's all. That's enough. No need to do this calculation. Here once you do this one you divide with 5, integral part to take. This one you divide with 5, integral part to take. This one you divide with 5, integral part to take. That is the answer. That is equal to, how much you get? 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 8. That is 10. So that is 502. 502 is nothing but the second option. Okay. Now we move to the next question. If x is equal to 2.57, then the value of, okay, x is how much? 2.57. Then what is step x for us? Step x is nothing but step of 2.57. That is nearest integer less than that. That is nothing but 2. Similarly, what is fraction part of x? Fraction part of x is nothing but 0.57. In this 2.57, 2 is the integral part and 0.57 is the decimal part. That itself is the answer for step x. Sorry, fraction part of x. Therefore, now what is asking? Step x into step x into step x into fraction part of x. Step x into step x into step x. That is 2 into 2 into 2. Into fraction part of x is 0.57. So that is nothing but 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 into 0.57. How much is that? 8 7s are 56, 5, 8 5s are 40, 4, 5, 6. So it is 4.56. That is nothing but the third option. Okay. Now we move to the next question. The number of zeros at the end of 6250 factorial. Similar question. Number of zeros at the end of 6250 factorial is given by 6250 by 5 step of course. The step of 6250 by 5 square plus step of 6250 by 5 cube plus step of 6250 by 5 power 4 plus step of 6250 by 5 power 5. That's all. 5 power 6 onwards we'll get proper fractions. So as I told you, first only for this you do calculation. This is how much? 1250 plus. Now 1250 divided with 5. So what do you have? 250 times. Plus divide with 5, 50 times. Divide with 5, 10 times. Divide with 5, 2 times. That's enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. That is equal to how much you get? That is 2. Next 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 10. 16, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Okay. Next we have 1562. 1562 is nothing but the second option. Okay. There are 1562 zeros at the end of 6250 factorial. Now let us move to the next question. 2.4 fraction part plus fraction part of minus 1.6 plus fraction part of 3.2 is. Fraction part of 2.4 plus fraction part of minus 1.6 plus fraction part of 3.2. That is nothing but fraction part of 2.4 is 0.2 plus fraction part of minus 1.6 means, remember, minus should not be there because the range of minus, that is fraction part is lying between 0 and 1. 0 less than or equal to fraction part of x is less than or equal to 1. It always lies between 0 and 1. It can be equated to 0. It can never be negative. So in that way, what to do? Add up 1 and if you add up 1, you will get it as the fraction part of this value will be 0.4 plus it is 0.2. That is nothing but, so that is nothing but 1. Okay, so this is very very important. Fraction part of minus h is nothing but fraction part of 1 minus h. Fraction part of minus h is equivalent to fraction part of 1 minus h. Okay, so using that technique we can say minus 1.6 value is nothing but 0.4. So that is nothing but the second option. Okay, so that is the end of today's assignment. Thank you. Have a good day.